Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to update Apple Watch software. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you have any Apple Watch series that support any recent update for the supporting operating system, then this video you'll learn exactly how you can upgrade or update your Apple Watch OS to latest variant. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do whenever you want to update your Apple Watch is go ahead and then grab your iPhone. Now, the first thing is go ahead and open the Watch app. Once you open the Watch app, scroll down, locate and click on General. Then click on Software Update. Once you click on Software Update, then it should say the available software update for your Apple Watch. So, go ahead and click on Download and Install. Once you click on download and install, give your iPhone some time to download the software to your Apple Watch, and in the course of the process, you'll be prompted to confirm your iPhone password. So go ahead and type in your iPhone password to proceed. And after that, once you're done downloading the software update, you need to go ahead and then plug your Apple Watch. Otherwise, you will not be able to install the latest update, and instantly it should say verify. And once this is verified on your Apple Watch, then the software update will start installing on your Apple Watch. All you just need to do is just keep hanging and make sure you do not disconnect your Apple Watch from the power source. It doesn't matter whether your Apple Watch battery is above 50% or not. Plug your Apple Watch with power source while it's charging, then the software update will start installing on your Apple Watch automatically. So this might take a couple of minutes before the installation process is completed. Just drop your phone and then your Apple Watch for the installation process to complete. Once the installation process is completed, if you check your iPhone, you're going to see update completed. And at the same time, you're going to receive notifications on your Apple Watch that the update has been completed. And then in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and end this video and leave my Apple Watch to complete the software installation. And that is it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.